Yo, what's up guys, TCYT7 here. Today is part 1 of a 9-part series of creating your very own discord.py bot. Now before the video starts, make sure to subscribe and like so I know that you guys like this. So yeah, let's just start off. So I'm using Atom, which is a text editor. You guys can use anything, but I recommend using Atom. If you are using Atom, make sure to install the script plugin so you can run Python. Also, make sure you have Python installed to your machine. So this is the GitHub page, which basically teaches you what to use, but generally you just have to open up command prompt and install Python if you're on Windows /Linux /Mac OS. Just install the first one unless you want like voice support and other stuff, and then it'll install here. I already have mine installed, but yeah. So starting off, what we're going to do is we're going to be making the bot itself. So what you're going to want to do is in a new tab in Google Chrome or whatever Explorer you use, you're just going to search Discord Dev Portal into your browser. After that, just tap on the first link and it'll bring you to the intro page. Just hit applications, then create a new bot. Now I've made a few bots, so ignore all of these, but basically just hit new application and choose any name. So I'm going to be choosing a name called tutorial. This is not the real name for the bot, but yeah. So I'm just gonna ignore all of this. I'm just gonna say hi as the description. It doesn't really matter this page unless you want to share the bot with other servers other than yourself. Just make this page how you like it. Now this is what's important. So go to the bot tab and hit add bot. Now hit yes, do it. Now this is what's going to be showing up in your server. So you can make the name anything you want. I'm gonna have it be called bot tutorial. Now this is the bot that's going to be in your Discord server, so make sure you give it a profile picture, etc. That's a random logo off my PC, but I'm just gonna save changes. After that, what you're gonna want to do is go down to privileged gateway intents and check both of these off. After that, hit save changes. Then what you're gonna want to do is go to 0auth2, hit bot, hit administrator, and now copy this link. After that, go to a new tab, paste this link in, and add it to the server you want your bot to be in. Now I'm just going to use this random server I have. It's called Account Hub, and you're just going to hit continue and authorize. After that, just do the I'm human, and if you go to your Discord server, the bot should be in here. And yeah, so after that, you're just going to go to server settings, role, and just drag it to the very top. That when the bot goes online, it'll be displayed on top of my role and it will have a perfect purple color. So I'm just gonna create a new channel that the bot can speak in for when we set it up. So you're gonna have to add a folder to do that. Just go to the left and hit add folder. After that, you can call it anything you want. I'm going to go and just call it, I'm gonna create a new folder called tutorial discord.py and hit select folder. After that, there will be a folder right here. All you're going to want to do is, while selected the folder, right click, new file, and call it bot.py. The name does not matter. After that, we're going to start coding. Now I'm going to try to go fast paced, but I'm also going to try to explain what they do. Starting off, you're going to have to import Discord, because that's what we're coding on, discord.py. So after that, you're gonna have to so next up, after you have import Discord, you're gonna type in from discord.ext import commands. Now what this does is it imports commands from Discord. Pretty self-explanatory. After that, what we're gonna do is we're going to be using the intents log when new things happen. That's why we had to enable two things. So we're gonna do intent is equal to discord dot intent dot default. What this does is it basically uses the default intents to log members joining and leaving, because that's what we're going to be using it for in the future episodes. Then you're just gonna do intents.members is equal to true, and then you're going to go, and this is probably the most important step in your code. So what this does is it creates the name for every event you have. So basically what you're gonna type in is client, or this can be any name. I just choose client because it's easy to type, and then equals to command.bot, and then in parentheses write command_prefix is equal open quotes, and now you can put whatever prefix you want in here. So I'm just going to use a plus key as my prefix, and then do a comma and do intent is equal to intent, and you don't need a space there. So now that we have our prefix set up, what we're going to do is we're going to create our status and our bot when we run it. So to do that, you're going to do at client, or whatever this text is, just copy it and paste it here, and then do dot event, and then now just hit make a new tab or hit enter, and then type in async def, and then and then space on underscore ready, and then search into. So now that you have the at client.event, just type in async def on underscore ready and open two parentheses and do the colon. Now what this does is it's going to define what we do when the bot is ready. So what you're going to want to do is, this is going to be the status command. So this will determine the bot status. So what you're going to want to do is do await client dot change underscore presence. That, I think that's how you spell it. Yeah, that is. And then do status is equal to discord dot status. And then now you can choose either online or idle or do not disturb. I'm just going to do online because it's cool to have a bot online. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to do a comma and space, and then do activity is equal to discord dot. Now this can be a variety of things, but for now we're just going to use game. So it's going to say playing a game, and then we'll have our status. So just do another set of parentheses, do quotes, and I'll put your status in. So I'm going to say test bot at TCYC7, and after that, that should work and make the bot status display. And just so we have something that indicates that the bot is working, in our control panel, this will pop up. We're going to do print and then just do online. So after that, what the line 11 does is when everything is successful and there are no syntax errors, it will tell us that the bot is online, so we can make sure that everything works. After that, what we're going to want to do is we're going to be creating the token and running the bot. So what we're going to do is we're going to minus this. We're going to go back to our dev portal. We're going to go to bot. Now we're going to go down and go to the token. Now you're just going to hit copy. Do not share this with anyone. It'll be blurred out in the video. So what you're going to want to do is just do client.run and open the parentheses with quotes and paste your token in. Now do not share this with anyone, because if anyone other than you has access to this, they can basically get admin perms in your server or whatever perms the bot has, and they can basically log in as a bot. So after this, this is all we're going to be doing in the first episode. So if we run this by hitting Control Shift and B at the bottom, it says, okay, so we got a syntax error, basically because I accidentally put this thing here. So if we just delete this and now hit Control Shift B and run this, another syntax error. Oh, that's because I spelled members wrong, so we're just going to fix the spelling. And well, I spelled default wrong. So we're just gonna run this again, and as you can see, it says online. So yeah, I will leave this code, except with the token obviously, in the description for you guys to copy and paste, just in case you're lazy, because I don't want to make you bored, just in case you just want a bot and you don't really care about learning. But yeah, as you can see, we did have some syntax errors, but we have fixed it. So what we're going to do is minus this, go back to our server, and as you can see, the bot is online and its status is playing a game bot at TCYT7. With that said, peace and goodbye.